Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
The youth from Gujarat, Bashudev Bhandari, whose car had sunk in the river at Sant Istvan, is still missing. But there is some development in the case. The old Goa police has cracked that what had actually happened that night, due to which the car plunged into the river. According to old Goa police, there was a case of road rage. Two persons who have now been made accused in the case, namely Yasim Gaus and Salman Gaus, both are residents of Belgaum, had come to Goa and had visited casino that fateful night. After coming out from the casino, they were returning back to Belgaum, and on the way they had some minor accident with the car drove by Bashudev Bhandari. And both the accused asked Bashudev Bhandari to stop his car, but he ran away, and due to which they started chasing him. And when they reached at the dead end at Sant Esteban, Vasudev Bhandari's car plunged into river. After seeing this, both these accused ran away from the spot. Now the old Goa police has recovered their car from the Belgaum and have asked both the accused to join the investigation. In accordance with the notice by old Goa police, both these accused, Yasim and Salman, have appeared before old Goa police and have recorded their preliminary statements. Old Goa police has again asked them to appear on Monday. According to Old Goa police, this is a case of criminal intimidation and the sections is playable, hence they are very less likely to be arrested as they have also joined the investigation. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.